So I'm in this bar playing darts with these three guys, and their friend shows up, and they say, hey, let's have a dart contest. And I figured, okay, whatever. And they said the person who comes in last has to drink this special drink from the bar. And I'm like, whatever, we're in a bar, we're gonna drink anyways, why the hell not? And so of course I lose since I don't know anything about darts, and I go to the bartender and he fixes me this 7-layer drink that's 7 different colors. And I guess it's based on the different specific gravities or the viscosities of or the surface tensions of the different alcohols that made up the 7-layer interesting drink, which kind of reminded me of 7-layer bean dip. I used to work with a guy whose wife had a fantastic recipe for 7-layer bean dip, and he would bring it every time we had a potluck. And I would always look forward to these potlucks because he would bring these awesome, big, huge, like casserole dishes with this 7-layer bean dip, and it was also awesome. So anyways, the bartender serves up this drink, and I slam it back. But then everybody looked at me like, oh, dude, you weren't supposed to drink that. It was just like for show or something. And I wondered what was going to happen to me. And they didn't seem to want to talk to me after that happened, but that event happened a couple of weeks ago. Not the 7-layer bean dip, the 7-layer drink episode. And I haven't really slept since. I haven't really been tired. I don't know, when it comes nighttime, I just kind of walk the streets and mumble to myself. People look at me weird like I'm some crazy person, but I don't really know what's going on anyways.